Hello, and welcome to your Jenesis Software new feature update video. In today's new feature update, we have added a clipboard to make it easier to copy VIN numbers when inside a personal auto policy. Let's take a look. First, I'll locate my client. Once inside my client, I will then scroll down to their personal auto policy and click there. Once inside the personal auto policy, I will locate my vehicles. And now you will notice that next to the vehicle's VIN, there's the little copy or clipboard that you can easily click on to copy the VIN. I hope this feature update makes your life a little bit easier. And if you should have any questions, always remember the chat support icon at the bottom right corner, or for other resources or help, all the way on the left at the bottom, the tools and resource options. Thank you.